Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going somewhere very special. I am going to show you my dream vacation. But before we go, please subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. In this video, I want to invite you to a place that exists only in my dreams. A place that I have never been but would love to visit one day. I know it's impossible to find a vacation spot that has everything you could ever want, but let's pretend we can design the perfect getaway. No matter where you are in the world, close your eyes and imagine yourself on a beautiful beach. The sun is shining, the waves are crashing, and you feel completely relaxed. What does this perfect vacation look like? Now open your eyes and listen carefully, because I'm about to take you on a tour of my ultimate escape. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The grand arrival picture. You arrive at your dream vacation spot, and as you step out of the plane, you are greeted by the warm embrace of a private transfer who whisks you away to your luxurious villa nestled amidst a coconut grove. The first thing you notice is the gentle ocean breeze caressing your skin as you inhale the sweet scent of plumeria, blossoms carried on the wind. Daily delights. Imagine waking up to the soft caress of sunlight filtering through sheer curtains. You rise and shine, feeling rejuvenated and ready to embrace the wonders of your dream vacation. After a delicious breakfast on your private patio, you decide to explore the nearby coral reef. Snorkeling through crystal-clear waters, you discover a kaleidoscope of vibrant fish and graceful sea turtles swimming alongside you. Hidden gems. As the day progresses, you stumble upon secluded coves and hidden beaches, each more enchanting than the last. One such paradise is a secret lagoon accessible only by a short hike through lush tropical foliage. Here you find tranquility amidst towering cliffs and a natural infinity pool formed by the azure waters of the lagoon. You spend hours basking in the serene beauty of your surroundings, allowing the soothing sounds of nature to wash over you. Sensory immersion, a feast for the taste buds. Indulge in a culinary adventure like no other. Savor the taste of fresh tropical fruits, juicy grilled pineapple, and sweet coconut. Quench your thirst with refreshing coconut water or sip on tangy passion fruit juice. From delectable appetizers to mouth-watering main courses, each dish is a symphony of flavors that tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Sounds of serenity. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the horizon, you find yourself drawn to the soothing sounds of the crashing waves. The gentle roar of the ocean lulls you into a state of pure relaxation. In the distance, you hear the melodic calls of exotic birds, adding a touch of whimsy to the tranquil soundscape. Touch and feel. Imagine the soft white sand between your toes, the gentle caress of the ocean breeze on your skin, and the warmth of the tropical sun enveloping your body. Feel the cool water of the lagoon as you take a refreshing dip. Beyond the horizon, exploration excursions. Your dream vacation is not just about relaxation, but also about exploration and adventure. Embark on thrilling excursions that will take you off the beaten path. Discover hidden waterfalls tucked away in the jungle, or venture into the heart of the rainforest on a guided hike. The thrill of exploring unknown territories will leave you with unforgettable memories. Moments of mindfulness. Amidst the beauty of your surroundings, take time for moments of mindfulness and self-reflection. Find solace in the tranquility of your villa. Lose yourself in the pages of a good book, or simply sit in silence, embracing the peace that envelops you. Evening enchantments. As dusk settles in, the evening air becomes alive with magic. You find yourself mesmerized by the twinkling stars that adorn the night sky. The air is filled with the rhythmic strumming of a ukulele and the haunting melody of traditional music. You sway to the rhythm, feeling a deep sense of wonder and enchantment. Your journey to dream vacations. As your dream vacation draws to a close, you find yourself reluctant to leave this paradise. Take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey you've experienced. Think about the beautiful beaches you've explored, the delicious food you've tasted, and the unforgettable moments you've created. What has this vacation taught you about yourself and the kind of travel that truly recharges your soul? Before you go, I want you to do something really special. In the comments below, share the one thing that would make your dream vacation unforgettable. Is it a private beach, a cozy cabin in the woods, or an adventurous trek through the mountains? Let's inspire each other and create a community of dreamers. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support. Remember to subscribe so you never miss out on our exciting adventures and language learning tips. Until next time, happy travels and dream big.